Incentive refers to what motivates people to act, such as fear of punishment or expectation of a reward. Rational people make decisions by weighing marginal cost and marginal benefit. An economist summarized the entire field of economics: people respond to incentives. The rest is commentary. So, policymakers must fully deliberate on how certain policies may change people's behavior, because they may lead to unexpected outcomes. About 50 years ago, few automobiles had safety seatbelts. Let's think about the change in people's behavior in the late 1960s, when the U.S. Congress passed the law which made wearing seatbelts mandatory. Seatbelts definitely lowered the probability of drivers becoming involved in fatal car accidents. But, it is worthwhile to look at the overall effect of such an act. Driving slow means taking a longer time to reach a destination. Drivers unconsciously think of the marginal benefits and costs of safe driving. When the benefit of slow driving is higher than the cost, they would drive without speeding. Safety regulations change the rational driver's judgment of the marginal cost and marginal benefit. Seatbelts lower the probability of people getting injured or killed in car accidents. So, they reduce the marginal costs of car accidents. This means that the benefit that the driver could get by driving safe through wearing seatbelts is lower now. Wearing seatbelts brings about the same effect as having well-paved roads. This means that it would lead drivers to speed up and drive with less caution. The result of a seatbelt law, therefore, is a larger number of accidents. Pedestrians are more likely to get involved in car accidents. Does it sound like an implausible theoretical hypothesis? Not really. Economist Sam Peltzman statistically proved that this was what actually happened in the US in his paper published in 1975. He concluded that car seatbelt regulations lowered driver mortality but pushed up the number of car accidents and pedestrian mortality. When analyzing any policy, we must consider not only the direct effects but also the less obvious indirect effects that work through incentives. If the policy changes incentives, it will cause people to alter their behavior. Ten Principles of Economics. How markets work. Principles of firm behavior. Principles of income distribution and frontiers of economics. Principles of national economy. How money and exchange rates work. How economic fluctuations and economic policy work. Translated into 6 languages and exported to the world. The people of the world enjoy economics.